It's 8 o'clock in the morning and wala po sana akong balak maglakad ngayon, pero nung chinik ko po yung weather, it's -1 and mamaya po is +4. So kadalasan po pagka ganitong buwan, it's December 5 today, is malamig na po siya. In right now po is makikita nyo po meron pa po siyang mga damo and hindi pa siya covered ng snow. So in almost 9 years here in Canada, ngayon lang po ako nakaranas ng ganitong klima po na December na, tapos wala pang gaano makikita ng snow. So it's good for walking po today. Siguro po pupunta tayo we're going to visit some lakes here in town. Hindi po titingnan po natin kung ano ang itsura ngayon, and we're going to just like walk and yun po. Okay, so see you later guys. Okay, so right now nandito po tayo sa Lake Erwin. Malapit lang po siya sa town. Nasa 5 to 8 minutes po siya pag nilakad mo. And we're going to see Lake Erwin during winter po. And mga kasama po akong vlogger ng Nipo. Naandun na po sila. Hindi ko lang alam kung kita nyo pa. So, okay. Go and see. Okay, so ngayon po nasa Lake Erwin ako, and then kung makikita nyo po is frozen po yung lake ngayon, and hindi ko lang alam kung makikita nyo yung parang hindi ko alam kung tawag doon, and then yung mga cabin po doon is ginagawa po nila yan sa ice fishing po. And then this side po maginawa silang hockey court. Maliit lang po yan siya para sa mga bagets po dito. So frozen po yung lake. Ganito po ang itsura niya pag winter, pero pagka summer po is pwede po mag fishing dito. And it's a beautiful morning today. Kasama ko po yung ibang vlogger ng town. anong saya ang iyong dinadama sa isang katulad ko na nanginginig pa. Kahit may kasama tayong mga tropa, pero ang paligid para sa ating dalawa. Hanggang sa uwian na naman ka ng isipan, ito ba'y katotohanan o pinagtripan mo lang? Kung ano ang bilis ng pagdating mo, sana'y wag din kanalimot iiwanan ako. Panaginip na lang ba? Tunay ka ba makakasama? Panaginip na lang ba? Tulad ng iba, parang tula silang nawala. Panaginip na lang ba? Tunay ka ba makakasama? Panaginip na lang ba? Tulad ng iba, parang tula silang nawala. Okay, so it's been a while since I played guitar, and excuse my voice, pang-inuman lang po. So after po natin pumunta ng Lake Erwin, I decided po na tumambay sa labas kasi warm po siya ngayon, maganda po yung panahon. It's actually +5 po ngayon, and maganda po tumambay sa labas. And I'm planning to cook barbecue today, later po. And if you can hear the birds, nasilabasan po sila ngayon dahil po warm. So narinig niyo po parang punin po ng mga ibon. So right now I'm just like, I don't know, I'm gonna just like play some song, and then after that I'm going to cook barbecue. Okay. Okay, so I'm just listening sa phone ng mga ibon. So we're done playing guitar and we're going to cook barbecue. So last night babad tayo ng barbecue ng karne. And ito po siya ngayon. And syempre, tutuhugin natin siya with a stick. So, that's what we're going to do right now. So, yeah. I'm gonna eat barbecue. And, so yeah. Biglasan na wala. And the birds are just like, gone. I don't know what happened. But, so, ito lang. And we're going to do our barbecue. Okay. Let's do it. And this is it. Well, one thing pag gumagawa ng barbecue, hindi ko alam kung bakit nasa ilalim ng taba tsaka sa harapan. So, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung anong reason why bakit pag gumagawa ng barbecue dapat may taba sa hulihan tsaka may taba sa harapan. So, I'm not really sure kung saan po nanggaling yung idea yan, but if you know, just like comment below, and then I'm gonna just like figure it out. So, I don't know, my barbecue is just like we're going to put taba sa unahan. This one. Taba. Actually, hindi nga siya masyadong taba eh. So, yeah, barbecue. Pulutan. Maybe. But I'm not going to drink. I don't know. Maybe later. So, dahil walang taba. Oh, may taba. May taba, tsaka may laman. And dahan-dahan. Para hindi masugatan. Okay. So, I just like doing barbecue right now. Every time I just have my vlog, I just like, meron po akong ginagawang barbecue or steak. Dahil pagka dumating po yung winter, is wala ka nang magagawang barbecue kasi puro yelo na, and then malamig sa labas. Matagal uminit yung barbecue. Matagal siyang painitin and malamig pa pati. So yeah, it takes 5 to 6 months since you can do a barbecue or a steak inside the house or frying pan. So we're gonna try it during winter. So yeah. So kanina habang pumunta tayo sa sa Lake Erwin, kasama natin yung ibang vlogger ng dito, si Alan Eris TV, Adam Will TV, Adam Will Yarso, yeah, and I forgot Roy Puyo what his channel, but it's Roy Puyo, so just I forgot his channel, but he's one of the vlogger too here in Nicoa. So, hindi ko nalagyan ng taba. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero kailangan na ng taba. So, bahala na lang siguro. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so ito po yung ating barbecue, and we're going to put it in here. Okay, so ito ang ating barbecue. And I forgot the sauce. So, hindi po ako nakagawa ng sauce para pampahi dito. Gosh. So we're going to make the sauce. And before that, let's do the sauce. Okay, so we have our barbecue sauce. So we're gonna just like put it there. Yeah. Okay, so barbecue. And I'm gonna end this video right now. And thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next vlog. Thank you.